Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage. And motorcycles, especially motorcycles like the Harley-Davidson, they're uniquely American and they're all about individuality. And of course, you can customize your bike a million different ways thanks to Dunphy cycles. Your story is also uniquely American. How'd you get started doing this?
Years ago, I worked for a small outfit in a machine shop, and I started personalizing parts for my own Harley-Davidson. And I noticed I had gained interest in my parts online just by showing pictures. And then from there on, I acquired my own equipment and machines and truly saw something beautiful in the making that I could do. Started my own business and off we went, making every part we can imagine for the Harley-Davidson touring models and making them fully customized.
And let's talk about some of the parts you brought here. Now, first of all, the floorboards really stand out. I mean, they're super cool.
So the different designs of what we've done with these is all of our floorboards, the profiles of them will not change, but we made them customizable, which is something that we haven't seen anybody else do. And that's when we're talking as far as you want different color combinations, finishes, you want all chrome, you want personalized floorboards where we deep machine engrave your company logo or a design you send us. We can do just about any design within reason.
And what if I don't want to customize? What can you do for me?
If you don't want to customize, then we offer these on the web. This is our standard black and contrast cut, where we have a nice beveled machine edge to match the motor fins on the Harley-Davidson and any other accessories you may have, or you can get it in all black or solid color. These are standards that we offer today that anybody can pick up and order off our website.
Gotcha. And a motorcycle, you look at the engine on there, it's just dying for customization. You've done that with some of the covers you have here
Correct.
as well.
We make the derby covers and the points covers as well, 100% machined in-house, made out of billet aluminum. We do engravings. We can get wild with it. We can do raised engravings. We can color fill. I mean, the sky's the limit on the designs that we do on our covers.
And the shift linkages really stand out. Those are some really cool designs here, and designs I wouldn't even think would actually work mechanically, but they look super cool and they work great.
Yep, they work great, and we wanted to come up with a simple, clean design with our diamond cut shift linkages that would flow with the rest of our parts, have a match, and if you're going for a show bike or even a regular around the town bike, these pair perfectly with each other because all the parts match. And then of course you can go wild and you can get deep into custom.
Since we're on the Motor Trend Network, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we wanted to make that for you guys, and that was a fun one to make, and we wanted to give that to you guys as a gift as well.
We appreciate that, and it's going to be a good conversation piece here in the studio. Now, dash badging right there? You also help with that?
These are dash inserts that fit the touring models as well, road glides, street glides. These are very popular. We make these in a diamond cut finish to match these parts as well. These are custom ones that we've done in the past for customers to where you can have raised lettering, you can have different coloring, mismatch, whatever you want. Obviously here we did our contrast cut, which is very popular. This is a matte finish, but we can do in any color you want where we left the machine engraving on it. And it's very deep and nice finish.
You've even thought of the smallest detail, even the ignition switch covers there. Those are cool. I love those.
Yep.
And then onto the tank badging, which is something you said is one of your most popular items.
Yes.
And an easy way to customize a bike there.
Yep. And our tank badging, what we do is we machine them out, and these are our most popular to where people go wild with these, and nobody else on the market is actually doing custom tank badges. So we have tapped into that market and we have perfected it, and they fit, again, all the 6-gallon Harley Road Glide, Street Glide, and Road King tanks. This is something that we're really proud of, that we enjoy doing, because again, nobody can do it, and especially not like us.
And I know you said, we see the Air Force shift linkage there. You do a lot of stuff for the military, and you love your military guys.
Yep, we do a lot for the military, and like I said, these are fun ones for us to do because the military designs, there's a lot of detail, and I love doing those because it showcases what type of precision work we can do and we can tap into and with the details. And that's one thing that you won't see on the market is you won't see a custom shift linkage with the amount of details that we are offering.
And Harley-Davidson owners will be glad to know you do all this stuff in-house right in Washington State.
We do all this in-house in Washington. We do all the powder coating. The only thing we don't do is chrome, and we wish we could. And maybe someday we will. But everything is machined in-house, done by myself and fellow employees. We take pride in what we do.
And you're still a small shop, which is really cool.
We like it that way because we're giving everybody the personal mom and pop shop feel when they call us, and This is why every part is handled with great detail, and we execute it every time with the customer's design to give them a one-off piece that's gonna last a lifetime.
And if there's an issue, which I doubt is going to happen, how do you back your parts?
100% warranty. If there's any defects on them that wasn't caused by the customer or anything, any part failure, we back it 100% and we stand by our product. So no questions asked. If there's an issue, please contact us and we'll take care of it.
Now quickly, a couple pieces we didn't talk about here. Here's a transmission cover.
Correct.
And a fuel door cover here. They both look fantastic and again, fully customizable. And what are these pieces here?
Those are saddlebag reflector inserts, and those replace the old reflectors on your saddlebag. You can also even replace them on your forks. They come factory if you wanted to. Those are fully customizable as well, and we can go wild on those with different colors and machine engraving, and very popular as well.
From mild to wild, from stem to stern, you can personalize your bike, make it yours. Find them at DunphyCycles.com. We shall return with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com.